Grabe! Lalag okay. No, ako, grabe. Super grateful ako sa PBB. As in, there's no words I can... Ay, parang hindi ko kaya explain ano, ka-thankful to PBB. Kasi inuwi ko talaga dito yung pangarap ko. I was in the UK for 7 years. Umuwi ako ng 2020 to come here. And that's my career. And
You can switch your mic, yes. Para
Thank you.
marinig naman namin yung medyo
check.
British accent mo ba na
check.
natitira.
This nice mic.
Yes,
Ayan,
okay.
ito, magandang mic ito. Hello po, ulit. Ayan, siguro sa akin, sobrang thankful ako, grateful for PBB. Kasi ngayon nakikilala na ako. Ngayon nakikita na ako. Kaya I'm really thankful. Kasi ang tagal ko na rin po sa industriyang ito and dami ko na rin nagawa. Pero sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, hindi pa rin ako nakikilala. Kaya because of PBB, now people see me. Now people appreciate me for me, which is really nice. And kasi nasa labas ako, nagugulat ako whenever I'm in the mall or in the road. Everyone's gonna be like, uy, si Josh, oh. Si Josh from PBB. Kaya natutuwa ako na nakikilala na nila ako sa pangalan ko, hindi lang sa pangalan ng character ko. And of course, I'm so thankful for GMA, for accepting me back. Kasi 2016 I signed, and then umalis ako bigla all of a sudden, and now I came back and they still wanted me. Kaya maraming salamat po for letting me be here. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga ipakita yung sarili ko sa mundong ito. And yeah, be an inspiration to others na kahit anong mangyari sa buhay mo, everything happens for a reason at nandito tayo lahat for a purpose. So yeah, thank you GMA, thank you guys for being here.
Ayan.